Hello, in this video we're gonna check how to make the full page screenshot on Samsung Galaxy A03. And to do this we'll need to open any app that allows us to scroll down. In this case, let's go for our settings. Make sure you're on top of the page. You can go for a web browser if you want as well. And then make a combination of a power key and a volume down key like this. Hold it for 1 second. It should capture a screenshot. Then we can click on this button right here to scroll down the page. Keep clicking on it until you're satisfied with the amount of a screenshot. I want it to reach a bottom like this. Then click on your screenshot. Open it with any app that you like. And now, as you can see, we just made a full page screenshot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.